artist I'm bringing to the stage, man, this is my homeboy. He's one of the original hosts here at Laugh and Lounge. We flew him all the way in from Nashville, Tennessee. That's a quick flight like that. This is my homeboy, y'all. He about to be on the new season of Bounce TV. He does clubs and colleges all over the country. Come on, y'all. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, y'all. Put your hands. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And y'all give it up to my homeboy, Flash Flood. Here. Right here at Laugh Lounge. He got a mouthful of hot dogs, don't he? You know what he's saying? That's that old school shit. I love the old school, man. We don't have that. The new motherfuckers don't say shit like the old school. Remember that? Good Mom? Who's that peeking in your window? What? Oh, that nigga CeeLo like the biggest midget on the planet, don't he? He come out with them short, fat hot dog ones. Yeah, my family moved in our apartment complex. They came with that cereal problems, put up next. That's my shit. Love CeeLo. CeeLo can make a song about anything and make it sound good, can't it? And they got a studio in the kitchen. The grilled chicken, that fish, meatloaf, pork chops, my traditional grub. That corn that I ordered, that macaroni, cheese, mashed potatoes, Kool-Aid in my cup. Like, damn. You know, I don't want to dance, I want to eat. Goddammit. The hook be like this, I love food. Don't touch my fruit. You know when a nigga rock his head like this, he can say, food. That's some 90s shit. How many of y'all remember the 90s? I'll pour this goddamn water on y'all. Nigga, the 90s was the shit. We had rappers like Craig Mack, Busta Rhymes, Top Authority, 8 Ball, MJG. What? Tupac. Biggie sounded like he had a nasal congestion. He come out. First all pop. First all the hubby. Play more bodies, but live more money. Hold on, puff, I gotta. What? Oh, talk to the motherfucker. Old school shit. I like old school, nigga. Jodeci? I'll pour this water on y'all. Nigga, we went to Walmart and bought a clear rain suit, cost $8. Remember, you just had to wear another rain suit. You had to wear another outfit up under it. Nigga, you with Jodeci in school, nigga, the next day, nigga. Mid-condition? Ooh, pretty brown eyes, you know. Oh, that was my shit. Oh, that was my shit. What? Who they got now? Waka Flocka Flame. I thought that was a rap group. I thought it was a Waka, a Flocka, and a Flame on that bitch. It sound like 12 niggas rapping at the same time. All that ass in those jeans. Blah, blah, blah. Hey, who is in the studio? Then you got Future. Yeah, they 12 years old. They don't even know about it. Waka Flocka is dumb. Future is handicapped. You know that song he got with Rihanna? And he gonna go to my love, L-O-V-E, and affection. I don't hear that shit. I don't hear that shit. Then you got Trey Songz. See, Look at him. Look at him. They should be at the fucking playground right now. Y'all gonna make me turn into Bernie Mac. Shut the fuck up. This son bitches. Motherfucking Trey Songz and shit. Shit. You won't hear that shit. Trey Songz. He got good songs. I ain't gonna hate on that nigga. He got good songs. Sound like he took an R. Kelly class. But don't he got a gold throat? You know what a gold throat is? That nigga been in the studio singing shit like this. Look what the girl has done to me. She done cut me out from a good, good love. It sounds like singing an earthquake and shit. That ain't old school, man. Michael Jackson was the greatest of all time. Entertainer of all time. I pour this goddamn water on y'all. Michael Jackson, I don't give a damn how old you are, how young you are. Everybody knows who Michael Jackson is. Remember, Michael Jackson was the greatest entertainer of all time. He could just come out on stage and stand there and make grown white men pass out. Pass out? How you do that? Remember the Super Bowl halftime performance he did? Had them gold draws on the outside those black leggings. He came out the stage like this and pulled my bangs out. He came out the stage like this. 2 hours later he did this shit. That was it. That was Michael Jackson. Remember he had the sound effect for every dance move he did? Nigga, Michael Jackson come out on stage like this. I'm tired to the motherfucker. I'll pour this goddamn water on y'all. I'm tired as hell. Before I get out of here,